Want to delete or edit your Netflix history? We will walk you through step by step how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser, then go to the Netflix homepage. When the Netflix homepage appears, log into your profile. Once you are logged in, go over the icon on the top right. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Profiles. The profile page opens. Now choose the profile you want to delete or change the viewing history of. The Manage Profiles and Preferences page opens. Under Preferences, choose Viewing Activity. At the very top, you can check if you have chosen the right profile before changing anything. If you want to change the viewing history, you see behind each title a circle with a line through. If you click on it with the left mouse button, the title will be hidden from the viewing history. You can scroll through the entire list and hide several titles from the viewing history. To remove the entire viewing history, scroll all the way down. On the right side, click on Hide All, and all your titles will be hidden from the viewing history. Please note that it can take up to 24 hours before the title is actually hidden. Titles you hide will no longer be used to make recommendations to you. There are two reasons why you would change your viewing history. The recommendations you get do not match your preferences, or you just want to hide that someone can see what you have been viewing. That's it for this video. You know now how to change the viewing history or remove it altogether. Was this video useful or did you learn something? Then give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. More videos are coming. Also go through the description where we have placed more links to other videos.